Since I live in the north, I know what a pulled pork sandwich feels like. More heat, more smoke. It's literally all we're having up here. So, hello, we're outside the Walgreens. I'm the third shift couponer. We go couponing right after my third shift job. But we have really good deals this week at Walgreens. I missed you guys. I was just not feeling well. There's a lot of that going around with me lately, but I don't want to keep rambling. We have some amazing deals. There's a printable breakdown in the description box if you want to take it to the store with you. If you're not currently subscribed, I'd love to have you as part of the channel. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So our first deal is actually on the Olay body wash, and it's really, really good. So hopefully you can run to your store and do it. They're on promotion for buy 3, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $8. This seems like our normal deal, but let's get into it. So you're going to grab for your first product one of the regular Olay body washes. So you can grab something like these or the older style. I guess that's not older, it's just ultra moisture. Anyway, grab one of those. Then for your second product, you're going to grab the Olay ribbons product. They're $8 as well. And then for your third and final product, you're going to grab an Olay bar soap that are $8 as well. So grabbing these 3 products, your total will be $24. We have a $5 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $19 at the register. Then we'll get the $5 register reward for buying 3. Plus, we're going to take a receipt submitted to Ibotta for $1.50 back. We have $1.50 on the bar soap, a different offer for $1.50 on the body wash, the ribbon one specifically, and then $1.50 rebate on the regular body wash, making all 3 of these $9.50. We have a decent deal on Axe body wash. Now we've gotten better deals on this, but they're on promotion for buy 2, get $2 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5. So you'll grab 2 of them for a total of $10. We do have a $5 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $5 at the register. Get the $2 register reward for buying 2, making them $3 for both. So our first hair care deal is going to be on the Tresemme hair care. They're on promotion for buy 2, get $3 in register rewards. The cheapest options for this promotion is the shampoo conditioners that are $6. If you want, you can grab the styling products. They are more expensive, but if that's what you use, that's what you use. But grabbing 2 of the shampoo conditioners, your total will be $12. We do have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $8 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $5 for both. Our next hair care deal is on the Garnier products. So the Garnier Fructis are on promotion for buy 2, get $3 in register rewards, and the cheapest option are the shampoo conditioners. You can grab the styling products at like slightly more expensive. They're like 50 cents more, or the really big bottles are more expensive, but grabbing the smaller shampoo conditioners at $4.49, you'll need to grab 2 of them for $9.98. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $5.98 at the register. We'll get the $3 in register rewards for buying 2, making them $2.98 for both. This week, L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care is on promotion for buy 2, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5.49. You'll grab 2 of them for $10.98. We have a $3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $7.98 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying 2, making them $4.98 for both. This week's select Colgate products are on promotion for buy 2, get $5 in register rewards, but the best way to do this deal is to look for the products that are on sale for $6. So one of the ways you can do it if you need toothbrushes is to grab these optic white ones. They come in the red one or the black colored one. There's other options. I just have never scanned them, but I know for sure that these 2 work. So grab 2 of these ones for a total of $12. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $7 at the register. Get a $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $1 per toothbrush. Or if you need toothpaste, you can grab the toothpaste. It's part of that same promotion. So you'll grab the $6 ones. You'll grab 2 of them for $12. For the toothpaste, we do have a $6 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $6 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for buying 2, making these $1 for both. If you like the Purex laundry detergent, they are on sale for $1.99. I don't think there's any digital coupons or rebates, but you can grab as many of these as you like. Even the free and clear or the power packs are included. Alright guys, I lied. I just scanned this one into Ibotta. So this is the Fresh Mountain Breeze 21 count. This is the only one that I can get to have an offer for. So we have 50 cents on Ibotta, which will make the power packs $1.49. Or if you prefer the all free and clear or the sensitive fresh, they're on sale for $4.99. Even the mighty packs, we do have a $1 digital coupon, making them $3.99. So I don't know what this item looks like, but it's a blue buffalo Benabar chicken and mixed berries, 9 ounces for $3.29. I'm assuming it's a dog treat. I don't think that's that bad of a price, especially for Walgreens, whatever it was. We have a super easy, beginner-friendly deal. I love these deals because you don't really need any digital coupons, and you don't need to be like an extreme couponer or like really amazing at coupon to be able to score the savings like these. So select products are on sale for $16. You can mix and match between brands, grab 4 of the same items if you want, but you can grab any of the following. So you can grab the twin packs of the Febreze bathroom or the Febreze car. You can grab some of the Swiffer duster products. They have the Swiffer Mop and Go products are also part of this. Some Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, or we have the Mr. Clean Clean Freaks. But like I said, grab your 4 favorite ones for just $16. Easy savings on the Airwick products. So the Airwick Advanced Plug or the Airwick Starter Kits, they're on sale for $4.49. We do have a $3 digital coupon, make them $1.49. And these are great little filler items. If you're trying to get to your spend booster amount, you can grab one of these for just about $1.50. Great deal on bandages. It's the Walgreens Smart Flex waterproof one. Just 87 cents on clearance, and it's 20 bandages in the box. Walgreens brand small and medium trash bags are buy one get one free. So they're $4.99. So you'll grab a total of 3 of them for just $4.99. You can mix and match between the smalls and mediums if that's what you need. Select brownie products are on promotion for buy 2 get $5 in register rewards, and they're $6.49. You're gonna look for the 2 = 6 triple ones. It's the 3-ply. So grabbing 2 of the $6.49 ones, your total will be $12.98. We have a $1 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $11.98 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $6.98 for both packages. This is always a great deal, of great value in my opinion. Is the Walgreens brand storage baggies. They're buy 1 get 2 free, and they're $2.79. So you'll mix and match between the sizes that you need or that you may want, and you'll grab 3 of them for just $2.79. I tell you guys all the time that I do use these at my house. I prefer these. They're a great, I think they work really well. Also guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I love to have you as part of my channel. Pepsi products are on promotion for buy 2 get 1 free. So you'll grab a total of 3 Pepsi Mountain Dew Starries, and your total will be just $23.98. Dr. Pepper and A&W products are 3 for $15.99. So you can mix and match between those brands. Or if you like Coke, Coke is also buy 2 get 1 free. So mix between Sprite, Coke. I think there's one more. Sunkist or one of the orange sodas are included. I can't remember because they're like really out of stock for soda over here, but grab a total of 3 of them for just $23.98. Alright guys, I'm just doing these 3 promotions. I have a spend $35 get $7 back in Walgreens cash booster. So this is over $35. So let's go check out. Alright guys, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went well. There's only a small snag. So my first register reward that printed perfectly, and then the second one stopped printing and the machine started beeping because it was out of paper, and I'm like, oh no. But then the cashier called over the manager, and the manager got everything to work. So I have it went well. We'll just say that. Anyway, so I grabbed everything that I showed you guys. So the Colgate, the Olay, and then the Garnier Fructis. So for register rewards, now I know I didn't go last week. I lost out on a few. Nothing crazy, not a crazy amount, but like I said, I just couldn't get out of bed. I don't know what it was, if I was still sick or I just slept and slept. I woke up, I took my pets outside, or like I took care of them, and then I literally went back to bed. So I just couldn't. Anyway, so I had an $8, a $3, and a $4 register reward that I used. And then for digital coupons, we have the $6 for the Colgate, $5 for the Olay, and then $3 for the Garnier Fructis. So I paid $15.98 of my own monies. Then I received the $5 register reward for buying the 3 Olay. Then I received the $3 register reward for buying the 2 Garnier. And then lastly, the $5 register reward for buying the 2 Colgate. So all 3 register rewards did print and they are working fine. I did receive the $7 in Walgreens cash for spending $35. And then I submitted to Fetch. I had a Colgate offer. I didn't know if I'd hit it or not, but I did get $1.50 from Fetch. And then I submitted to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each of the Olay. So I got $4.50 back. So after everything's said and done, it makes my whole haul $9.98. Now that is a little pricier on the pocket, but we're getting Olay, and Olay is never a cheaper item to grab for me. So, and it resells really well. Plus, I grabbed the strawberry kiwi body wash. I really like that. I think that one smells really good. So if you want to try a new scent, I personally like the strawberry kiwi one. This one smells really good, in my opinion. But anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.